Me love me.
Aye, you probably did. Fucking look at it. Look at that. Look at that.
I've never seen that monkey before in my life.
Look at that. Look, that's a shame. It's hurt. Look, it's trembling. Fucking give me I'll do something. See you, I swear to God, people used to be fucking locked up.
Look the size of my arse. Look what he done.
Do you know something? I swear to God, right? See if I wasn't so... It took me a while to realise what he was actually doing, right? And then seen what he was doing, I thought, fuck, no, I didn't think that because that's what he was doing, right? I just thought, that's a shame. Do you know that? I didn't know who to phone. That's how I phoned Jeremy.
I am fucking whooped, by the way.
So what was Jeremy going to do? Come and fucking rescue?
You fucking shagged me.
Get him to take a lie detector.
We've done one, I've got the results here. The monkey's going back because the monkey's petrified. Right, we asked you the question, did you kiss and cuddle that monkey? No. He says he was telling the truth, didn't he kiss and cuddle a monkey? Did you shag the monkey? No. He says you're a fucking liar, you did shag the monkey. What are you going to say for yourself?
I did, but alright, it's shite, right? If so.
But you did it.
Aye, alright, I did it, aye.
Why did you shag a monkey?
Because it's nice and tight.
Nice and tight, right? Okay, I suppose that's a good one. Come back and sit here. What do you want to say to him? Sleep and relax. Sleep and relax. Deeper and deeper. 1, 2, 3, wide awake. You bring your chair back in here, darling? Oh dear God. Sleep. No, you fucking stay there. Sleep. Sleep. Wash things off that chair, Dale. Sleep. Now, I'm speaking to you if I touch you on the shoulder. I'm only speaking to you now as I touch you on the shoulder. When I count to 3, I'm going to hand you the most beautiful woman you've ever seen in your life. If you've got a phone, get it out. You think she's so hot, so sexy, but she's gagging for you. When the music starts, you're going to get her up to dance. 1, 2, 3, wide awake. How fucking hot is she? Get her to dance. She's been looking at you all night. Go and slip a hand in her, go and get a wee tickle, that's it. Oh, she's fucking wanting it. She is loving you, tickle her, go on. She's been wanting you all night. She can't wait, she cannot wait. Lay her down, go on. And fucking give it to her like she's never had in her fucking life. She's a dirty cow, spank her ass, go on. Spank her ass, dirty cow. Give it to her, go on, give it to her. Oh, she's wanting it. She's fucking desperate. Go on, give it to her, yes, get in there. Now she wants you to make love, make love, make love.